Today, I'll show you how to cancel a TradingView subscription. Before you start, make sure you are logged in to the TradingView account that has the active paid plan. This is important because the cancellation option only appears inside the account where the subscription was purchased. First, open your browser and go to TradingView. Log into your account. Once you are logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, open Account and Billing. If you do not see that exact option, go to Account Settings and look for the Billing or Subscription section. Now find your active plan. You should see your current TradingView subscription, renewal date, and billing details. Look for the option that says Cancel Subscription, Cancel Auto-Renewal, or something similar. Click that option. TradingView may ask you to choose a reason for canceling. Select the reason that fits, then continue. Now review the cancellation details carefully. In most cases, canceling the subscription stops the next renewal. You should still be able to use your paid TradingView features until the end of the current billing period. After reviewing everything, confirm the cancellation. Once it is done, check your email for a confirmation message from TradingView. You can also return to the billing section and make sure the subscription no longer shows as renewing automatically. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your TradingView subscription from the website. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.